If you haven't got a cable runner, use your arm with it, a 1 mil. Comes off lovely. 300 to bleeding on my knees. He's not going to pull up there. Oh, it is. We're in a garden room. It's a bit noisy. It's really noisy, in fact. Got a socket in that corner, socket in that corner, socket there, socket there. Spot, 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 spot. 6 spots on ceiling. Electric rad in this corner. 40 kilograms, so they're going to have to put some extra noggins in wall, which they're going to do now for us. So we're going to crack on, get this first fixed, and then they can board the internals, and then we'll come back and second fix it, get all dry liners. Right, customers asked us to put sockets at 300, 450 is a bit too high for him, so we're going to put these at 300. Board's going to go in that corner, so we'll get laser on, ping that through. I need some knee pads. Reason I'm just putting that on, even though we're not cutting boxes out now, is because when I drill through, I want everything to be obviously nice and straight all the way around. That's cut, lower down that. Back on. Right, we've pulled his socket saying into that corner, this one. So we're going in 150 from each wall. That gives us an equal spacing. So give that a bit of pull back. Put a bit of tape on that. Just so they don't go anywhere. They're going to board walls today. It's a bit long because I don't know where I'm going to put fuse board yet. I spoke to the customer, I'm going to put light switch here. It's going to be a 2-gang switch to control 2 lights there, 4 lights above his head on a dimmer, 16mm bit. I'm going to put his board in that corner. I need to drill through to bring it armoured up. It's banjoed at the other end. We need to get a feed to here. We need to look, what we'll do is we'll bring our switch in case there's an armature. I think there are 9mm MDF on here. We'll come in 100mm. Got a cable runner, use your arm with it, a 1 mil. Comes off lovely. What I decided to do is decided to pull them in at 450 in from outer walls because they put some noggins in on this side and they've staged them, so they can't go down 500 directly to the centre because they're already got staged noggins. But it doesn't matter, 450 is fine. I'm mark 450 down, mark 450 down, lasers down, so I'll drill straight through centre relief. And then we'll pull the light cables in, then we'll mark the distance where we want them and then pull them down. You'll see. It's so noisy. Get this lighting cable pulled in, get it off the floor. Screw my head in. This is 1'4", main foot centre 4. Other 2 are just going above a desk on their own. pull it tight for now, and then we'll pull loops back once we're near enough in. Because I'm not a short horse like Ryan, innit? You'd have to get steps here. We've got 3 circuits. We've got lighting, power, electric radiator. That is not going to pull up there. Oh, it is. Bit of tape on these. Beautiful. Can't see laser, but laser's on. Bang where I need the lights, so I'm going to mark in. It can't go, everything can't be fully symmetrical because this is running down the centre. It's a prefab building, prefab garden room what's being delivered. Obviously, everything's just made in a factory. So, spoke to customer, I want to come 350 in on each of these. So one there, and then slightly offset this one just to the left so that when you walk up, it's more to, when you open the door, it's parallel with that. Right, so I've come in 450. For spots in this line, we've come in 350 for the first one, second one 1350, and that one 350. Again, same on this side, so everything will be nice, straight, parallel. We'll put laser on when we come back to second fix it. All boxes internally will be on dry liners, so I'll put dry liners in. Always take a drawing for your spots, always grading walls, always keep a drawing. 300 to bleeding on my knees. 300 bottom at socket, sorry, 300 from floor to bottom at socket all the way around. Done. Yeah, if you like the channel, please subscribe. There'll be more and more content, long form coming out. Short forms all on Insta, YouTube shorts, TikTok, all that kind of thing. But the long form, more and more will get pushed out. But yeah, I appreciate people subscribing, people liking the videos. I really do. And I'll only get better at it, I suppose. See you on the next one.